All right, you know what we do? We have 3 contestants, entertainers, and they get a minute each to perform. Simmer Rooney is our only judge this morning.
I am.
Yeah, and we start with Linkage Internal.
Let's do it.
It's Linkage Internal. Smile Jamaica, it's morning time. Answer. Okay. This a favorite top hustler, no buck shuffler. I feel make the cash, she full of duffler. Nobody pre-free grab, nothing when I fear. Yeah. Reason why me also cause me need cash a pack. Treatment fi come down go clear that I walk. Can afford anything in no matter where it costs, yeah. Yeah. Reason why me also cause we need cash a pack. Treatment fi come down go clear that I walk. Give mama some money very often. Yeah, the cash apart, man, I talk about the dollar bill. Me want build a house, give me mother pan a hill. I could have taxi you running at the street for your honest bread. Are you using a power drill? Life can be the sweetest, but it's sour still. Every ghetto youth want have them on a mill. To be a successful man, that's our will. That's why me stay humble and no quarrel. Never tell him also cause him need cash apart. Treatment to come down, go clear that hour.
Yes. Me need cash apart.
3.
We gave him a 3.
Tres.
Our next contestant is Diamond Leah.
A Diamond Leah, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. No.
Diamond Leah, I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Oh, I give her a 5 for her shoes. She not for saying, come on. I'm just joking, girl.
Shoes win. Run the track anytime.
I'm trying to follow.
Me can't understand. I know like a one girl. A 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Too much that, too much that. Say them need to stop. Never too much that, too much that. Say them need to stop. Them a take life like a feed them. Who give them? Me have a question now, woofer. Past and present, they are warm to the future. I feed them mother, give birth and bring them pan dirt. Now them born, but the girl with them care. Cause she can't still a whole land. Still a whole land. Must still a whole land. Must still a whole land. Because up into.
All right. Diamond Leah.
Deep.
Sing J. Ike.
Wait, because Sing J.
Then we can judge Diamond Leah first. Sing J, please, and tongues.
Deep song.
Control. Yeah, good lyrics. 4. I'm going to give her a 4.
4. Sing J, you have to get up full 5 or a 4.237 8.
Or a 4.012.
Yeah.
Yes.
Win. Here's Sing J Ike. Final contestant.
DPJ, alright. Morning Neville, morning Simone. What a style, yeah. So if me rich a man, me friend them a feel alright. Stick to me friend them like the bones them to all giants. Me have some friends who motivate me. Tell me say me future bright just like a car light. You see the fake one them me don't like. Will cut a life short just like a sharp pipe. Have genuine friend, some way a bar type. What a style, what a style. Big up to me real linky them. Big up to me real linky them. Protect me head back me them. Defend respect goes out to me linky them. Big up to me real linky them. Big up to me real linky them. Protect me head back me them. Defend respect. What a style. Me nah sell them out, nah go switch. Happy make it together. Money full up pocket and full up wallet. No joke of it. Real to me friend them like Mr. Plug to sock it. And from me violate them appear like magic. Oh wallet no fake and no drawing graphic.
What?
Kill him.
Yeah, man. It's a happy song. Lots of energy. Not to take away the subject matter from Diamond Leah, but performance, energy, lyrics. I'm going to give Sing J Ike 4.5.
4.5.
Yes.
So
Better overall performance.
According to our judge,
But they all did
Sing
well.
J Ike is the winner, and Sing J Ike will take us out. So thanks.
Me like that move here. Do it again, let me see. Like your foot stuck. Huh?
No, I'm not, you're not taking us out yet. Not
Go on again. So you got 1 foot, you can do it, and you can go with another one.
Yeah, right, go on again, sing.
Go on, you hear your tune now. Ready? One.
Like a car light. You see the fake one, them me don't like. Will cut your life short, just like a sharp pipe. Have genuine friend, somewhere you're all type.
Next, good.
Big up to me, real linky them. Big up to me, real linky. They protect me, head back me, them defend. Respect goes out to me, linky.
Next.
Big up to me, real linky. Big up to me, real linky.
Hey.
Protect me, head back me, them defend. Respect goes out to me. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right,
Mr.
he'll take
Daniel,
us out.
go on.
Before the bumper, by the way, I forgot this.
For the bumper.
Happy birthday to the outstanding young footballer at St. George's College, Arsino Hamilton. Arsino, have a brilliant day
Big up
today.
to me, Rick.
And-
Hey.
Oh, so he won't take us out. So you just do your thing. Congrats. But Arsino, have a brilliant day today. I love you like crazy, son. And I will see you later, hopefully. All right, so Linkage, Diamond, Leah, who I thought was really good also.
Yeah, man.
And
Not a bad one
Sing
today,
J.
sir.
Ike.
Want to take a
All right.
break?
No break.
All right.
Now, one of our former producers who ended up being the head
Speaking
of
of
the
real
production.
linky.
Yeah. Head up being the head of the production department. She has moved on. We wish her all the very, very
She
best.
moved on already or she moved
Well,
in?
she has moved on.
She gone?
Yeah. Well, she's
She
not.
isn't gone yet.
Yeah.
She gone in.
No, but I think she finished with us now.
No, she
No?
gone. Gone in? G-O-R-N-I-N.
Anyway, she's a very good friend of mine. Met her a long time ago from we were at the top at JBC. And as I said, started to produce Smile Jamaica, went on to head the production department. And she will move on. She's leaving at 5 o'clock today. I certainly wish you all the very, very best. Enough love, Mrs. Strin. And keep in touch with us. And just as soon as you land, wherever you're going, just find where the first, the money sending people. Find that first. What you call them?
I don't know.
Yeah, whichever one. Just find remittance we're talking about. Find the first place.
She's a great friend
Yeah,
to
brilliant.
all of us, and we all love her. And here's a feature. Is there a feature?
Yep.
Here's a feature.
Something about the way she moved. I can't figure it out. It's something about her.
You're my favorite producer.
As general manager, I know one of the main things I'll miss about Alia is that I don't have to worry about her area and her department. If there's something to fix, she'll fix it. If there's something that is wrong that needs to be sorted out, whether internally or externally, she'll get it done. She is dependable, reliable, and I'm really gonna miss that.
She was very engaging, very on time, very professional. I love you, Alia. You're a great girl. All the best.
Bye, Alia. Love you so much.
One of the things I admire about Alia is her honesty. She will pretty much tell you the truth, and she does it in love. And that's one of the things that I definitely will miss, and one of the things that I really admire about her.
So I remember when I first saw Alia and she was, just walking. And I was just like, this must be the boss lady because of the way she walked. She exuded confidence and she was just walking like business-like. And as a youngster, I benefited a lot from her mentorship and I enjoyed working with her. And I hope that wherever she goes, that she continues to impact young lives.
She is an amazing boss. When Miss Sarah come to the first thing I think is, Basa come. In terms of being a boss, she's probably the coolest boss you could ever have. Knowing that she's leaving it's hard to deal with, but it's hopefully for better. And I just want to say, I do love you, Alia. And if it wasn't for you, I quite possibly would not have been here. So thank you. Thank you very much for the opportunity that you gave me. And fly away on awesome, safe wings.
The one thing that I will miss about Alia, that commanding presence that she has, You know, once she walks in the room, it's almost like I'm cool, but it's work time, guys.
I just want to say all the best in whatever you do, and I'm really going to miss you.
Bye, Aliyah. I'm going to miss you. Take care of yourself and the little man, and we will see you again soon.
Hi, Aliyah. Gonna miss you. Cheers.
Bye, Aliyah. We love you. I'm gonna remember eels, tea, and friendship.
Aliyah, I'm going to really miss you, my super, super wonderful boss. I just want to say all the best. And I know sometime soon you'll come back, maybe next 5 years or even less.
Aliyah, we have been coming from a far away, you know. I'm gonna miss you, sweetie pie. Love you, Aliyah.
Please don't go. Don't go. Ali, I'm going to miss you. I truly going to miss you. Really. Because, you know, you're the person that I come to. We're talking over everything. You know, when we go to lunch, we talk about things. And you're my confidant, you know. And I know wherever you go, you'll be successful.
We're all here saying goodbye to one of the best bosses we've ever had. We'll surely miss her. And I just want to say I miss you saying, oh my days, when something exciting happens.
Oh my word! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Aliyah! Happy birthday to you! Just the way you
When I first came to TVJ in 2009 and sat in this chair, behind me now where Unique is sitting is where Aliyah used to sit. So we used to have talks all the time. She was there to guide me through when I just came. She was my mentor. I'm going to miss the fashionista that she is, always looking to see, oh my God, what is Aliyah going to wear today?
So you led with confidence and with class, and you opened the door for so many of us young producers, you know, to help us develop our skills. We're gonna miss you. We're definitely gonna miss you, but the support continues on both sides. You're gonna always be there for us, and well, TVJ is gonna always be here for you. We love you. We're all good.
You know I'll say.
Anybody knows Aliyah knows she is a boss. That is just the epitome of who she is, a boss. So my song would have to be Fifth Harmony's Boss.
One of the many things I admire about you is the fact that I've always felt, and I have said this, and maybe not necessarily to you, that you are an excellent producer. The first time you started producing Smile, I remember looking at your running order, and it was so simple, it was so straightforward, and you could even see on paper that this is a well-produced show. So it was no surprise to me that, you know, you ended up being the production manager, because you are very good at what you do. You are so humble, you are so quiet. If ever you hear Aliyah's voice, you must know you do something wrong, because Aliyah does not shout, Aliyah does not raise her voice.
The advice that I'd give to Aliyah as she travels to England is to enjoy every single moment, enjoy all your family and your friends, and just live life to the fullest.
So my advice for you living in London is to stay behind the yellow line at the train station. It's not a joke, you will get pushed in, and that's not going to be fun for anyone. So stay well behind it, especially in rush hour.
Aliyah, where are you going? You know the only reason I'm happy say you go because the pound strong. I mean, you ever send some money for me? It was amazing working with you. I look forward to all the wonderful things you're going to be doing in the UK. It's a big place, and you have the talent for bust it up there. So do well. Love you.
Wherever you're going, I wanna go. Wherever you're headed, can you let me know?
I'm gonna miss you. Wishing you all the best on your new journey. Really broken up about this, but you have to do what you have to do. So wishing you all the best one more time.
I love you, and I'm going to miss you.
This is just going to be a break.
I'm gonna miss you, Aleo. I'm coming in your suitcase.
This is a break.
Do not leave us.
We are most definitely going to miss you.